my name's Josh, and we will be making a Kinect star. First, let's start. But first, you're gonna need 16 of these. 16 of these. And also 16 for these little bullets, too, Now let's start. Don't forget to subscribe. You're gonna take one of these that I showed you. It's a different color. Now you're gonna place it right there. Then you're gonna place this here. And let's continue. See? Now let's continue making it bigger. See? You see? I'm making it even bigger. Let's continue. Almost finished. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 more of these you're gonna need. Oh. See? We're almost finished. You see, it's getting even bigger. Oh yeah. Let's put it here. Come on. Yeah. Now, you're just going to be needing 2 more. Okay, let me put it on. Oh yeah. Okay, the last one. But you're going to put a bullet actually here. Now watch here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now you're going to put it up straight like this. Now you're going to turn it like this, like into a ball. And you see the clip that I put here? You're going to clip it together. Now it looks like this. Now, to make it a Kinect star, now watch. Press this down here. Now continue, press 2 down at a time. Press 2, and now, voila, you have a Kinect star. So let me show you again. It could be a crown, it could be a bangle, it can be anything. And now watch this. I'm going to make it back again. Watch closely. The 2 you need to put down 2. Put down 2 more. You see? That's how I continue. That's how I make the star. Now guys, this is the Kinect star. Thanks for watching my video, and one more thing. Jesus loves you. Bye. Bye. Don't forget to like it too. Bye.